Overview of transportation engineering. Transportation is the activity which facilitates physical movement of people and goods from one place to another. Transportation plays an important role in the prosperity of a country. It contributes in all domains of developments such as economical development, industrial development, social and cultural development. Role of transportation. As much as we invest in transportation sector, we get much economic growth. Transport transport sector contributes to 6% of Indian GDP and contribution is increasing continuously. A developed transport system turns a local market into national market. It increases the export import from the availability of raw material. It connects the rural market or distributor to the cities. It increases the productivity of different industries. It promotes globalization. It improves the living condition of people. It influences the formation of urban societies. It exchanges the adoption of different culture. Modes of transportation. There are mainly four modes of transportation: roadways, railways, waterway, and airway. Roadways transportation. A road is a route, way, or path between two or more places. This mode of transport helps to transfer the goods from one place to another place by road through various methods like auto, buses, trucks, cars, and suitable means. In road transport, the chances of an accident are very high and it is very risky. Advantages of road transportation. It is very flexible in nature and provides door-to-door service. It helps in movement of goods in remote areas. It provides many options to travel in form of car, auto, bus. It requires low capital investments. It is very suitable for a short distance journey. Disadvantages of road transport. It is not suitable for long distance as it takes much time. It is slow compared to railway and airway. Goods can be destroyed during movement due to poor condition of road. The chances of accidents and breakdowns is more in road transportation. Railway transportation. This transportation needs a special types of track which is called rail. It is preferable due to its high speed. Rail transport helps to provide administrative facilities to the government. The public servants and defense forces run their mobility from the railways. Advantages of railway. It is economical for long distances because it can easily cover all area of states and cities. It is very faster than roadway, suitable for carrying bulk amount of goods. It creates employment opportunities for both skilled and unskilled persons. It is safest and dependable medium of transport. Disadvantages of railway. Huge invest required for construction and maintenance. Not suitable for hilly area. Not flexible like road. Terminal operation are costly and time consuming. It takes much time for booking of goods. Waterway. In this mode of transportation, movement of goods take place through oceans, seas and rivers. It requires ports for loading and unloading of goods. In water transport, the weight of goods are very large in comparison of other means. It is the backbone of international trade. Advantages of waterways. It is the cheapest and easiest way of good transportation. It involves movement of bulk amount of goods. It promotes international trade and generates a big part of revenue. Risk factor is very low in this mean. Goods like timber, coal are easily transported from one country to another one. Disadvantages of waterways. It is a slow medium of transportation in comparison of others. Due to seasonal variations, its performance is adversely affected. It can only run in oceans, sea, and perennial river. Thus, its functional area is limited, not suitable for a small business. Practically, it is not for individuals' travel. Air transportation. As its name, it runs in the air. It is also called aviation. It does not require particular track for working operations. Advantages of aviation. Fastest means of transportation. It provides an efficient, regular and quick service. It is very useful in movement of individuals as well as goods. It plays a crucial role in establishing international relations. Its importance increases in war, earthquake, floods, and other disasters. It is a sure medium for national security. It is suitable for emergency services. Disadvantages of aviation. A large investment requires to establish an aviation system. It is not suitable for working goods like timber or coal. It is costly. Risk of accidents is highest in this mode of transportation. It requires a specialized skill and a high degree of training for working. Thank you.